Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to create a magazine cover in Canva. Have you ever wanted to create a stunning magazine cover, but felt overwhelmed by the design process, or lacked the experience? Whether it's for a school assignment, a business event, or just for fun, designing a professional-looking magazine cover can seem daunting. But don't worry. Today we're going to walk you through the process of creating a beautiful magazine cover using Canva, a user-friendly design tool that's perfect even for beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you will not only know how to put together a striking cover, but you'll also gain some creative insights to make your design truly stand out. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's get started by opening Canva. If you're new to Canva, there's no need to worry. The platform is free to use, and you can access it either via your web browser or by downloading the Canva app on your device. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and this is where all the Canva magic begins. In the search bar that appears, type in magazine cover. As you begin typing, you'll notice Canva providing a few suggestions. Select magazine cover from the list. What's fantastic about this feature is that Canva automatically sets up your design with the correct page size and dimensions. This means you don't have to worry about pixel ratios or printing issues later on, making the entire process hassle-free. Next, you'll be presented with a vast gallery of magazine cover templates, each showcasing its own unique style and flair. From bold and minimalist designs to vibrant and busy layouts, there's something for everyone. Take your time to browse through this collection and select a template that matches the vibe you're aiming for. For instance, if you desire an edgy, modern appearance, choose one with sharp lines and contrasting colors. Alternatively, if you're seeking a soft, elegant look, go for a template featuring pastel hues and sophisticated fonts. Don't worry if you're uncertain about your choice. You can always change your mind or swap elements as you progress. Once you've chosen your favorite template, click on it to open it up. This is where the real fun begins, because every element on the template, text, photos, shapes, can be customized to your liking. Want to change the headline? Simply click on the text box and type in your title. Feel free to experiment with the font size and alignment to achieve the look you desire. Maybe you want to make the main text stand out a bit more. Try playing around with text effects like shadows or outlines, or change the color to match your photo or overall theme. Speaking of colors, if you prefer different shades for the background, fonts, or images, you can easily adjust them to suit your vision. Once you're satisfied with your edits, you can download your final design or share it directly with others. And just like that, you've created your very own magazine cover. You can easily swap them out. For example, if you're creating a cover for a summer-themed magazine, you might want to opt for sunny yellows or ocean blues. Canva offers you a plethora of options to explore, so don't hesitate to let your personality shine through. You even have the option to upload your own images and logos, making your design truly unique and personal. Remember, there's no rush. Take your time, be creative, and enjoy the process. Designing is an art, and sometimes it takes a few tries to get everything just right. When you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to finalize it. Head over to the Share button located in the corner, then click Download. Choose a file type that suits your needs. For print, go with PDF, or for digital sharing, select PNG or JPG. Canva will quickly prepare your file, and soon you'll be ready to share your magazine cover with the world. And just like that, you've created a stunning magazine cover in Canva, transforming a blank slate into a polished product. Hopefully this tutorial helped you understand how to create a magazine cover in Canva quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to create a magazine cover in Canva, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.